These are the materials needed for our experiment. 2 Ziploc bag for the stomach and for the small intestine, crackers, warm water, and teaspoon of baking soda. Let us start our experiment. Get the Ziploc bag that represent the stomach. Then we will put the crackers inside the bag. And this, we will squish them up inside the bag. After squishing them, we will add a teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water to the bag with the crushed crackers. Warm water. Then we will seal the bag securely and gently massage the bag for a few minutes. Next is, let's get the small or the Ziploc bag that represents the small intestine. Let us pour a small amount of water in it. This Ziploc bag represents the small intestine where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. We will carefully pour the contents from the first bag, representing the stomach contents, into the second bag with water. Then we will seal the second bag and massage it gently. Then we will open this bag representing the small intestine and pour out most of the liquid contents, representing absorbed nutrients. A small amount of solid materials may remain in the bag, representing waste products.